I got a surprise box from Peter Thomas Roth. Look at this. I already took a little peek. I've never received a box like this ever before. Look at this. As soon as you open it, it's a video. This is Dr. Prem Tripathi. He's like a famous California plastic surgeon. This is crazy. I love this, and it includes the new Skinjection, the eye cream, under eye cream that I've done a few videos on, and the accompanying moisturizing cream. The video's still going. This is great. I've never received a PR package like this before with a video player in it. This stuff is popular for a reason, the new Skinjection line. So I'm gonna link their new eye cream that I've done a few videos on right here in this video. It's amazing stuff. It's skincare. Skincare. This is skincare. This isn't a tightening ingredient. This is skincare. So check it out. You'll love it.